Jatatije kaduol machiwo hola ne jopuonjre mag mbalariany HELB Geoffrey Monari wacho ni ji marieke moloyo e pacho ka manosomo gi hola mag HELB magin kaachiel gi laktache, midusa, jogo kwan mag omenda mag piny owacho kata buge kata accountants ema ok osebedo ka chulo hola makamano. Monari wacho ni Okinde maromo gana 21,356, accountants maromo gana 19,580, laktache gana 16 gi 65 to gi midusa gana 12,14 pok ochulo hola mar HELB e bwo higni 10 mokalo. Mago gin mana kind jopuonjre maromo gana 380 ma oserem chulo hola maromo bilion 42. Owacho ni mana atamalo 20 kende mag laktache manosomo gi hola makamano ema chudo.
And 80,530 defaulters. And how much are they holding? 42 billion. If we had this 42 billion today, it would be a very good story because we will not be talking about any deficit anyway. The repayment status per profession, you can see the best payers over the years have been teachers. And mainly this is because they pay through TSC. I must commend that TSC has been very, very supportive and they have been able to support this cause. Today, every month, we are getting over 200 million check from TSC. Out of the 500, I say 200 million is from TSC. So if we close TSC, you can see there's a problem. And then the people who are followed closely and with moderate is doctors and accountants. But here we have a problem because only 20% have paid. I've gone to the best and I'm now going to the worst. 20% of doctors and accountants have paid. Engineers and lawyers are the worst. We are talking about 22,000 engineers to date have not paid their loans.